रिग्रेट है, अफसोस है कि उस समय ओबीसी कोटा नहीं दिया कांग्रेस ने?
100% रिग्रेट है, 100% रिग्रेट है। वो उस टाइम कर देना था और इसको हम करके ही छोड़ेंगे। We didn't release it at the time. There was a discussion, internal discussion. We should have released it at the time, and it should be released now. There is no change in our view on this.
2010 में जब यूपीए के समय में बिल आया था, तब अगर यही कोटा जो आज कांग्रेस मांग कर रही है अगर दे दिया होता तो ये कानून शायद 10 साल पहले बन जाता। तो ये जो आपसे सवाल पूछा जा रहा है कि आज आप कोटे की बात कर रहे हैं ओबीसी की, क्योंकि आप विपक्ष में हैं। जब सत्ता पक्ष में आप बिल लेकर आए थे उस समय ओबीसी कोटा क्यों नहीं था, और क्या इसका आपको रिग्रेट है, अफसोस है कि उस समय ओबीसी कोटा नहीं दिया कांग्रेस ने?
100% रिग्रेट है, 100% रिग्रेट है। वो उस टाइम कर देना था और इसको हम करके ही छोड़ेंगे।
राहुल जी,
Mr. Gandhi, what has changed since 2010 to now that you have shifted your stance on OBC support?
We have not shifted our stance. You're maybe not well informed. We are the party that did the caste census. We carried out an entire census getting caste data. We didn't release it at the time. There was a discussion, internal discussion. We should have released it at the time, and it should be released now. There is no change in our view on this.
Yes, I see.
So there was near unanimity in the passage of the bills. Do you think that a wider consultation process should have been followed before bringing the bill in the special session?
We are okay with the bill. We have supported the bill. Right? Please understand the technicality. We are in full support of the bill. We don't agree with the two little footnotes that have been put in the bill that basically mean that the bill is going to be implemented 10 years from today. We support the bill. Everybody, there's nobody in the house who didn't support the bill.